I made this making this video just to show that we're feeding our local animals here during the winter. It's starting to get cold, and we're getting some snow, and we've got sometimes we get as many as 30 birds out here. And you probably saw the local squirrel. He's out there, comes over and eats a lot of the stuff. And we've turned we have three hanging bird feeders, and we've also put one on the ground. And we get moaning doves and a lot of the little finches and things. And it's really tough when it starts snowing and there's a lot of snow on the ground. It's hard for them to get food. So we plan to feed them during the real dense winter. And so anyhow, this is what old people do. It's kind of fun. I don't know. Makes me feel good during the Christmas season. Anyhow, so this was happening at the Reali's house. Mary and I get a lot of fun out of this.